Did you know that one of history's greatest writers discovered his genius while staring down the barrels of a firing squad? In 1849, young Fyodor Dostoevsky was just another struggling writer in Russia. Then everything changed. He was arrested for reading banned books and thrown into a cold prison cell for months. But the real test came next. Guards blindfolded him and marched him to a public square. They lined him up with other prisoners in front of a firing squad. Dostoevsky prepared to die. He could hear the soldiers raising their rifles. Then, at the last possible second, a messenger arrived. The execution was stopped. It was all a cruel mind game ordered by the Tsar. This brush with death broke Dostoevsky completely. But from that breakdown came something extraordinary. Years of suffering in a Siberian labor camp transformed him. He discovered profound truths about human nature, guilt, and redemption. That near-death experience became the foundation for masterpieces like Crime and Punishment. Sometimes our darkest moments reveal our greatest potential. What would you create if you truly understood how precious life is?